Remove the screen panel with these knockout tabs. And they're press fit, so you can just pull, tab, and your finger down. There we go. So you do that to all four sides. With all four panels out, we could just simply move our screen back. Come right out. Recommend getting the following kit, link in the description below, from Amazon. That'll give you fiberglass screen for 7 foot by 36 inch wide, spline, a roller, and a removal tool. Easy is just to start on the corners, get that spline lifted. You could use our hands. So it's lifted just to peel that out all the way around. You remove the whole spline. Have it in your hand. Come right out of the track. Remove all the old string. You can dispose of the old screen. We rolled the screen out. So here's our roller tool, almost like a pizza knife. And we'll roll. Make sure, as we roll, we want to make sure you get a nice clean placement. The screen stays in the track before you can spline it. Then we can take the big side of the roller, first corner, go straight up into the edge, and push in. Make sure that you get a good lock. Firm push the door. Left side goes in, pull the right side taut. Same thing for the top and the bottom. Have tension and no bunches. Press these corners in with a flathead. Make sure they're nicely worked in and locked in. So you pull with one side, cut with the other. And it actually will give you a nice smooth finish. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.